Continuing with my demo graph, the next thing you can do while preparing your data is to profile it. Profiling allows you to view the integrity of your data real time and see if there are any patterns in the data you need to take care of. One way to profile is by checking for duplicates. As a best practice, checking for duplicates will ensure your analysis isn't skewed as you begin combining data. I'm going to join a duplicate detection node to the agreement charges data. The duplicate detection node detects duplicate data within specified fields and segregates the data into two output pins. For this node, I'm going to check for duplicates against 3 fields. Now I run the node. The duplicate detection node will always error whenever there are duplicates. To remove the error, simply go to the Exception Behavior tab, click False, and rerun the node. I got my green check mark. The node produces 2 pins. The first are all the data with a single entry. The second pin is my duplicates. Now that my duplicates have been identified, there are 2 paths I can take. I can publish out the duplicates for review. In some cases, the duplicates would need to be reviewed separately to discover if they are in fact duplicates and why. Or I can reduce the duplicates to a single occurrence. This only works when all fields that are not being searched for duplicates have the exact same data. Otherwise, you could be eliminating data that would be needed for your analysis. As this is the path I want to take, before I can reduce the duplicates, I need to review the data to ensure exact matches. If I look at the BRD viewer and examine the data closely, I see that my data is in fact exact matches, so I can reduce this number without losing any data. To reduce the data to a single entry, I can use the Remove Duplicates icon. The Remove Duplicates node removes duplicate records from the input set. The node removes duplicate records based on specific fields. If no field is indicated, the node will use all the input fields in the incoming data to detect the duplicates. This is useful when you are unsure which fields to check for duplicates on. Simply attach the Remove Duplicates node and run it. It will check across all fields to ensure the proper duplicates are removed. I've got my single occurrences. Another way to profile your data is by using histogram nodes. Using the histogram node can help you get a number count for different categories and groups. It creates a list of unique values along with the occurrence count of each value within the input data source. This allows you to find patterns so that, as the analytics are performed, anomalies are easier to notice. When using the histogram node, enter the fields you would like to profile. What this node will do is give me a list of unique pairings as well as the count for each. If I look at the BRD viewer, I see the count for each payment method and frequency pair. This tells me that there are 46 occurrences with payment method C and frequency of 12, and 2 occurrences with method C and frequency 6, and so forth. Along with the histogram node is the histogram plus node. This node does exactly what the histogram node does, with one difference. It produces a bar chart of the data present in the second input pin. And those are some ways you can profile your data.